Wait, I'm in love. That is my outfit. I kind of look like an explorer though. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and I have a really great video today, and I'm going to talk about Poshmark and fashion and closets and all that jazz. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, my social media will be somewhere here if you would like to follow, and click the notification bell to be notified every time I post. So today I'll be doing a what's in my closet, so y'all are gonna get real personal with me and my mess. So we're also gonna play a couple of games of like me making outfits in like 60 seconds, and just this is like gonna be a bonding experience, you know, like we're gonna talk. This is totally inspired by Closet Raid, and Awesomeness TV has that challenge where you do like the quick things. So yeah, that is all inspired from that. Before we get into this what's in my closet, I wanted to talk about Poshmark because they're actually sponsoring this video, and it was so crazy that they reached out to me because I've been using them for literally 2 years to sell stuff, and whenever anyone tells me that they used another app for selling, I'm always like, no, use Poshmark, it's so much easier. It's so amazing. Okay, I'm also gonna list a couple items right now from my closet, so if you would like to get them, they will be in my closet, and I'm gonna show everything here. I will be showing the new things that I'm gonna be listing today. So right here is my Poshmark, and I have a bunch of weird things that I've been selling throughout the years, but I will be uploading new ones today. At the end of this video, I'm gonna show you the new things that I uploaded on my closet, and you should totally go follow me in my closet, and my username will be somewhere here. You should totally download the app Poshmark. The link will be in the description below. It is so easy. I've also bought a couple things from Poshmark too, so it is literally like so efficient if you want to sell, and it's so easy if you want to buy things. Like they literally have like Nike brand, Chanel brand, Louis Vuitton, like for like a lot cheaper because it's been like used. It's almost like shopping at a vintage shop sometimes, and sometimes it's like shopping at Forever 21 but cheaper. It's like crazy. The link is down below to create your closet, and definitely comment down your handles because I will be following. I'll follow a couple closets that I think are really cute. So let's get into this video. Thank you Poshmark for reaching out to me and working with me. I'm so excited for you guys to raid my style and my closet. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is a part of my room you haven't really seen. These are my closets. They're all mirrors so that I can see myself every second of the day because, yeah, conceited. This is my closet, and then this is my pajama closet, which is gross and not as cute as this closet.
So, first off, describe your style in 3 words.
So my style is very baby pink and like millennial pink, like dusty pink, so it's a lot of pinks and pastels, but I definitely really like crop tops and crop top sweaters. Also really love high-waisted jeans. You can never really catch me in low-waisted jeans. A lot of also like professional stuff, like this amazing flower blazer. I'm very professional here. So the goal is Scream Queens. Does a sis got money? No, she doesn't. So she's trying. She's also a little bit of Amber Shoal with the glitz and the glamour, as you can tell with these beautiful rings. I definitely need more. And a very Victoria's Secret. And almost everything in here is Forever 21.
Okay, let's move on to question 2. What's your favorite thing from your closet at the moment?
I think I'm just gonna have to go with the blazer. I don't know why I keep talking about it, but look at this. I showed this in a video recently, but like this is just too adorable, and it's oversized, so wearing it with a dress would be the cutest thing. And yeah, always go to work in style.
What's your favorite thing to wear for an any day look?
For an any day look, I love a good comfort. So Victoria's Secret is my jam, and the 90s style is also very much so my jam. So I really love this Victoria's Secret. It's velvet and black, and it's also open in the back, so if you want to be a little schnazzy, you can. And it's velvet, and it's super cute and cozy, and with leggings and Uggs, it's just adorable.
Moving on to question 3. What is the most embarrassing thing you own?
I'm gonna have to go deep down for this one. So I had to find this in the deep, dark deepness of my closet. As most of you know, I was very emo back in the day. I'll put another picture here because I seem to always have to put a picture of how emo I was. Before I was emo, in high school and middle school, I was a little scene. Hot Topic was my jam. Thus, I bought this hat. And everyone sees it and they're like, what? Are you okay? Look at this glitter. Look at this, like, can you believe I wore this outside? Dude, I'm rocking it right now, honestly. Like, it's actually, wait, like I'm in love. Wait, I actually might wear this now. I'm like, look at myself and I'm like, wait, this is so cute.
Jen, there's checkerboard.
Wait, I'm in love. Yeah, I love this. I love this hat. I can't ever throw it out. It's too funny.
What's your favorite piece for a girls' night out?
Okay, I actually have something for this. Actually do. Okay. So for girls' night out, I got this from American Eagle. It is so freaking cute. It is like, it has this tank top right here inside. I don't know if you can see it, I'll lift it. It has this really pretty like gray tank top inside, and then it has this lace mesh on it, and it gives you like this really cute collar on top here, and it is just so precious. I know that everyone would go like really sexy. I mean, this kind of is because it's like see-through, but it just gives me the cutest little girly girl collar, and then I'm just like living. It's still crop top and still cute, but it's very girly and lacy.
And lastly, what would be your favorite piece for the holiday season?
This is my most prized possession. If you guys don't know, I love the Christmas season. I love Holly Jolly. So got this from Victoria's Secret. Right? Are you living for this? I love this piece. And then even the hood, it says like Pink Nation on it, but it's just glitz and glamour and literally just amazing. And it's so cozy and warm. Oh my god.
Hashtag hollow.
Hollow. No, this isn't. This is iridescent. I know. The hardest part for these 60 challenges is that I can't get anything out of my closet.
Well, too bad.
If anyone wants to see my shoe closet, that is a whole other video. I have so many shoes, so we're like excluding shoes right now because that's gonna be way too much. It's gonna be a 30-minute video.
Okay, so we have 3 60-second challenges, starting with the first one, which is, in 60 seconds, put together an outfit for a fashion interview. Go. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm holding a lot of things because I couldn't decide.
Well, you have to drop one thing right away because 60 seconds is up.
Okay, I'm dropping this. Okay.
Alright, so let's see which outfit you decided to put together.
Wow, this is really hard. I'm really upset.
So, you just got invited by the #1 fashion magazine in New York City and for an interview. What are you wearing?
Jeans. Jeans. I couldn't find my black pants.
Well, jeans.
My closet's a nightmare.
Alright, jeans and what top?
Jeans, a black blazer and this top. So maybe I could put it together. We'll see. I definitely should have went with darker jeans. That's definitely, or pants, anything. So I wore this top and this little blazer. The one thing I don't like about this blazer is the shoulder pads, but also like I do like them. I'm very conflicted about them. But yeah, this is yeehaw, you know?
First 60-second challenge down. Let's move on to the next one. So, for our next 60-second challenge, let me get my timer ready. For the next 60-second challenge, you have to put together an outfit for a friend's birthday party, starting now. That's it.
Yes.
Oh, and you even have 20 seconds to spare. Do you want to tell us a story?
It's a dress. so it wasn't too difficult. But I remember this dress, I was like, that would be cute, so.
All right, okay, well, you beat the timer. All right, let's see you in it. Okay, well, seems like you put together a good outfit.
It was a dress, so it was easy. So I just put together this dress I got from Forever 21 and this little ring.
Ooh.
So yeah, I would totally wear this to a birthday. I think it's trendy.
I guess we have our third and final 60-second challenge. Are you ready?
Definitely not with this huge ring on.
Okay, well, for the last challenge in 60 seconds, you have to put together an outfit for a cozy city day.
Sweater, but I didn't want to be like obviously you would wear a sweater for a cozy day, but I found something cozy, and so I got leggings, of course. I got this cute little top that I actually recently bought, and it's all scrunched up in the front with this cozy black sweater. So we'll see how it goes. I picked out this black sweater and I thought it would look good over it, but I just looked really frumpy. So I put it around my leggings like this, but basically I chose a shirt because it's so like cute but yet comfy, and it's a city day, so you still gotta look a little professional. But it's very loose and it's super cute. And yeah, honestly, like if I could, I would probably add a scarf. I completely forgot that I could do that. But yeah, and if it gets cold, I can just put it on. Yes. That is my outfit. I kind of look like an explorer though. Ooh.
Getting on the L train today.
This is really hard. I give a lot of props to Gabby and Nikki for doing that often. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the 10 things that I am going to be putting on Poshmark because sis has too much clothes in her closet where she can't even take things out for her 60-second challenge. So let's see. I will be posting 10 new things on Poshmark, so here are the things that I'll be choosing to pick out. So come check out my closet if you want to make a bid and bargain with me. A lot of people like to do that on Poshmark with me, but it's all good. So if you want to bargain with me for some clothes or buy some, yeah, come through. So the first thing that I'm saying goodbye to and hopefully giving it to someone who loves these and will cherish them are these adorable camo leggings. They are a size medium and they are so cute. Like, I'm actually, wait, do I want to give these? I'm like looking at them and I'm like, I can't have them. I don't have space, but literally they're so cute. They would look so good with this top. But okay, yeah, we're giving them away, correct, right? So these are super cute. They're from Forever 21. They're a size medium. The listing is right here. If you want to see, it's right here, so come through. So the next thing that I'll be selling is this adorable little pink bracelet that does have a bedazzled cross and a bunch of pink cutie patooties. I don't know what these are called, beads, yeah. So I will be putting this up as well. So here it is. Next thing that I'm putting up is this adorable crop top that is very, it's like worn out 90s kind of vibe. It's also from Forever 21. It's a small. Here is this listing. Next thing I'm going to be putting up is this adorable Bobbla Bear. I don't even know how to pronounce this. And Stilla, they made this really cute bracelet together, which is adorable for all y'all that love a good gold. It is so cute and it's stretchy, but yes, this will be up here and this is the listing for it. Next thing I will be selling is also from Forever 21. I told you guys this whole entire closet is from Forever 21. It's in a small. It is this adorable little, it reminds me of Rapunzel. That's why I bought it. But it's so flowy, it's cute, and the top is crochet, and here is the listing for it. So this is also a tank top from Forever 21. It is light blue and it like goes around, has this really cute design to make your look beautiful. It's tight and it is from Forever 21. It's a small. It is super tight, super cute, and definitely would look good with leggings. Here is the listing for this one. So this I got from Amazon. It is in a large. It is red. It's good for Christmas. And it has like this really cute little mesh part, and it is just so cute for like a family Christmas time. Like, the listing for that will be here. This is actually a dress. I don't remember where it's from. Does it have a tag? It's inside out. This dress is from BCX. It is like a turtleneck dress, but not really. And it is like this, and here is the turtleneck that flops in the front, super cute. It's dark green, and it is long, comfortable. It's sleeveless, and it is just so perfect for fall because it's like in between warm and not. And it's cozy and will look so cute with boots. So here's the listing for this piece. And next, I will be putting up this little bangles, these are called, silver. It's so early 2000s, so 90s. It's adorable if you're really into that style. And here's the listing for this cute bracelet. So this little innocent little sweetheart dress is so cute. It's from Amazon. I bought it a while ago. It's a medium. It is white. It is long, and it has like a zipper in the back. And it is adorable, and it is so like innocent 80s. Oh, it's so cute. The listing for this cute dress is right here. So thank you guys for checking out what's in my closet. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got to know me better, and please comment below so I could get to know y'all better. Make sure to go make a closet on Poshmark with the link right down below, and make sure to write down in the comments your closet name so I could follow some of y'all and come through to my closet and you could buy some stuff, bargain with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you to Poshmark again, and yes, bye guys. I'll see you guys soon.